And now, the reason we build dioramas in the first place. Trains. DioramaControl makes it easy to manage railway infrastructure and control train routes. Let's jump straight into control panels. Here, you can create panels for key areas of your layout. Click Add Control Panel and enter a name. I'll call mine Railway Siding. After naming it, you'll enter the editor. This is where we build our panel. Let's start by adding an entry track from the toolbox. Adjust its length to match your layout. Next, add a turnout. I'll choose a 3-way. Now let's add the siding tracks and extend them so they can fit a full train. Time for a bit of fine-tuning. Add track endings and connect any missing joints between the tracks and the turnout. The more accurately you recreate your real layout, the easier it will be to manage train traffic later. Great, now we have our track layout. Let's add signals. Go to the Signals tab, choose the ones you need, adjust their position, and place them in the reserved space. Now it's time to bring everything to life and link these elements with real components. You'll notice an exclamation mark on any unassigned element. Let's start with the turnout. Click on it. And if you haven't added one yet, we'll do it now. Click the plus icon, enter a name. Since this is a specific type, it can't be changed here. Select the output your servo is connected to, and adjust the angles or reverse direction if needed. Click Add Turnout, and you're done. Repeat the same process for signals. Give them names, configure connections, and that's it. Now save your changes and switch from edit mode to control mode. By clicking on a track, you can preview the current route. Select a turnout to change its direction. Set the correct signal aspects. And once everything looks good, confirm the route. All components will instantly adjust according to your setup.